Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G. For that you will have three ways for it. Let me show you the first one. Works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview and you can send the screenshot already with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the preview, by the way, you have also the chance to draw something inside or to highlight something. Or here at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot, but it's very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or something like this. And after, just tap you on the checkbox to have it at your gallery. There's another way to have a screenshot. For that, just scroll down here right next to your camera and then you will see a scissor icon. Just tap on it to have a screenshot here as well. Pretty nice. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with 3 fingers. For that, take 3 fingers, just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. Here we have to find the screenshots after, of course, you at gallery. And here are the photos, they are mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you always to go to the albums, because the screenshots will have here their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.